Hello friends, some days back Castle Light SA invited us to their switch to renewable event at the rooftop of Sandton City, and it was a very nice event with no kind of electricity directly consumed, and they told us that Castle Light has moved to renewable energy, and they are producing 9.7 gigawatt hour of renewable energy, and it resulted in 9,443 tons of CO2 emissions reductions for the company, which is really nice in itself. So and now whatever be the load shedding process, the Castle Light will be able to produce their beer without any disruption, because they have started using the solar energy and other kinds of energies to make the beverage. So this is one of the 2025 sustainability goals of the SAB South African Beverages Company and AB in Beverage. So that's their motto, which everybody is trying to achieve. So let's see what they have given us in the goodies bag. So let's see. There is a letter. It says, going through the letter, it says Castle Light is switching to renewable electricity to brew their beer. With this switch, Africa's largest premium light beer is on a journey to make sure that all South Africans are able to enjoy life and their extra cold Castle Light to the max without interruption. By reducing the amount of electricity we pull from the national grid, we are making sure that there is more electricity available for everyone to enjoy. This way we all get to do more of what we love, and our nation gets the electricity it needs to thrive. This is just the start. The brand is on a journey to be 100% brewed with renewable electricity and to fully switched to renewable sources by 2025. Switch to renewable. I wish them all the best, Castle Light, on this journey, and I'm sure they are going to do wonderful things in the future. So what we have received is this amazing solar light. As you can see, it's made by Consol solar jar. So basically it can charge in the direct sunlight from 6 to 8 hours, and then you just tap it, turn to flip on, and then it switches on. So the Consol jar feature is like the longer lasting battery shines for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Battery status indicator tells us what's the time to charge, and then it's really good for load shedding functions. And then alternate USB charging function is also there if solar energy is not there, like some of the days these days. And day night switch keeps LED off under adequate lighting condition to conserve power. So this is a really nice chart. So let's open it and see, and we'll see how does it look like. So this is the Consol light which we were talking about, and this is the on and off button. So if we peel off the sticker from the top, so it lights. So I think there's a sticker on the top which we have to take out, remove. So this is the thing, and then so it's not, I don't think it's charged at the moment, so we'll charge it. And so this is a solar jar made by what you say. So it's lighting up a little bit, but it's not fully charged. So let's charge it for some time, and then we'll come back to the same. So as I opened up the box, I earlier had this Consol kind of solar jar long way back in like 2015 or 2016 when I came here, and I had this, but that time it was not openable. But now they have modified the version, and it can be opened, and it also comes with a mini type mini USB where we can charge the batteries ourselves. So currently the battery power is very less, so we need to charge it, and I'm going to plug it in, so which is a really nice feature. And the jar comes with switch to renewable logo of Castle Light, which is really nice. So thank you very much. And other than that, in the container there is also a instruction manual which tells us as to how far we are. So one of the 5 LEDs in the Consol jar lid function as a battery status indicator. So simply turn it on and off, and after 3-second delay the light will flash, which will tell us how much is this charge, which is really nice. And then you can hang it on a table, put it on a table or hang it. So this is really a nice gift from Castlelite. And let's see what we have in the package. So in the package we also have this solar power bank. So let's see how does it work and will it be good. So this is the cable that we have. It includes type C USB, mini USB, as well as the Apple cable, charging cable. And then this is a nice as you can see, this is a nice power bank. It is 5000 milliampere battery. Solar power is 2.5 watt, input 5 watt 1 ampere, output 5 watt 1 ampere. So this is the one. And so it's now currently fully charged. As you can see, all the lights are glowing. And and then the manual says that, so the small manual is there inside the package, which says that this is a USB output, capacity indicator, micro USB input function, as well as number of LEDs tells that it's 100% charged and all. And then this green signal shows that it's getting power from the solar energy and getting charged. So which is really a nice, and it's really slim, and then it will definitely go into my car as a backup kind of thing, so that anywhere it can be charged, and then it can provide power to my devices on the go. So thank you very much Castlelite for all these goodies. Thank you very much, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. We are very near 1000 mark subscribers. So I'm sure that you will subscribe to our channel, and soon we are going to give some of these things away to our viewers and subscribers in South Africa. Thank you. Bye bye.